just about midday on Thursday the 28th December 2017, and I'm back at Mosta Church, the Rotunda. I was here the other day and I couldn't get into the Second World War air raid shelter that was closed, but today we've got more luck, so I've come back on the bus. I put some money in the box and we'll go down. And there's a little sign here, tells you a little bit about it. And here we go, down here there's some more pictures.
La sirena, cuando venían las bombas. ¿Qué?
¿Habéis visto con lo que hacían las sirenas? Con lo que hacían el ruido de las sirenas.
Mira, ¿sabes lo que es esto?
Cuando hacían el ruido de las sirenas.
Cuando las bombas o lo que sea.
There's something about the SS Ohio, as you can see there, if you Google it, SS Ohio. There's some British warships in the Grand Harbour.
Empezó en 1940 y fue cavado por 15 personas. Estaba, se encontraron piedras, su técnica, para la cual no es muy conocida, y el método utilizado es primero cortar una pulgada un pequeño canal de 2 centímetros, de 2 pulgadas, y en una sección de la roca, y luego conducirla a un largo agujero, como una raja para cortarla de la principal roca. Llevaba 2 turnos de cortadores.
So it's quite interesting. This is where they sheltered, obviously, during the air raids. And here we have the big Rotunda Church again, which that received a bomb in the Second World War. Luckily, the bomb didn't go off. That's where the bomb came through the dome. This is the, I'll come and show you the picture of the Luftwaffe pilot who dropped that bomb on the Mosta dome on 9th of April 42. So he's the man that dropped it. And just various other pictures. It's getting a bit dark here. This is a Christmas crib here. They always make them. There's another display actually near the rotunda. Some other people going trying out the accommodation. This picture here, I don't know if it will come out, is a priest praying with people in an air raid shelter. It's just a bit too dark there, but there's a picture of a priest. This is quite good. This is a bit of a luxury accommodation. It's quite nice. So to spend the night here with all the bombs coming down. Just the bed. Bit springy. So I think that's the extent of the tunnels, and it's just like we're going out again now. So it's quite a big achievement to excavate all this. They've got a donation box at the top of the stairs. I've already put some money in. And we're getting towards the stairs now. There we go, nearly there. Just come. Okay. He's coming back. You're on camera. Wow. Made it. No bombs. Cheers. That's it. And more to go down. That's it.